The one thing separating a basic breakfast from a luxury 5-star hotel brunch is a flawless poached egg. And you don't need to be a professional chef to pull it off. Here are 3 effortless hacks to master it on your very first try. These 3 simple hacks will turn a seemingly complex restaurant technique into a piece of cake right at home. Delicious, highly nutritious, and 100% foolproof. Compared to frying or hard boiling, poaching retains 100% of choline and lutein, the golden nutrient duo that boosts memory and protects eye health for the whole family. Using steam heat allows the egg white to gently coagulate without turbulent boiling bubbles breaking the egg's structure. Cute shapes like this are a wonderful way to get kids excited about breakfast. It's visually appealing while providing plenty of protein for a long day of learning. A touch of salt in the water acts as a chemical catalyst, speeding up the coagulation of protein chains in the egg white and locking the rich, creamy yolk inside. This batch steaming secret completely solves the hassle of having to watch over every single egg. One single prep is enough breakfast for a large family on busy weekdays. The combination of protein from the eggs and fiber from green vegetables helps control blood sugar levels exceptionally well, keeping you full longer and maintaining steady energy all morning. A tailor-made solution for mornings spent racing against the clock. Leverage your oven for completely hands-free cooking. While the oven does the work for 8 minutes, you can leisurely brew a cup of coffee, get your kids things ready, or simply enjoy the morning atmosphere with your partner. Smart cooking is all about freeing up time for yourself. A dish that seems expensive at restaurants is now so simple, cost-effective, and heartwarming right in your own kitchen. Give it a try tomorrow morning. Don't forget to subscribe to cook more delicious meals for your family together. Thank you.